Darling, you send me, I know you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Aoife, it's nice to meet you. So today I have a super exciting video, and I've actually wanted to do this for like 2 weeks and I just didn't have time. I was working a lot and stuff, but this is my this is my newest LUSH haul. So I have kind of been like falling in love with LUSH. I got 2 things last year maybe, and then I did a purchase and I got like a few more things and a face mask and stuff, and then I completely was obsessed, and literally 2 weeks after that order came, I ordered another big order, and this was like 8 stuff. So I'm going to be showing you the 8 stuff today, this haul. But my last newest haul, that sounds crazy because I'm just obsessed, I have no idea what I got in any of them, but I'm gonna leave it in the cards above so you can check it out. But this is my newest, and it's just my newest LUSH haul. I'm just obsessed. I just can't stop shopping at LUSH, and it's really bad. So I have actually, because I've got this for 2 weeks, I've actually used some of the products. So I'll kind of like tell you how I found them first impressions wise. This order is So this order is actually 2 orders put together, but one of the products that I really wanted to try was out of stock. So then I just got that order. I got that product sent to me then when it was in stock, and then I also decided to get a face mask too, because what's the point of paying for post and packaging if you're only getting 1 product? I might as well get 2. So then it leaded up to 8 products. So I have the documents here and I will tell you the prices as I'm going along. But before we get into the video, I want to have a quick mention that I recently just hit 400 subscribers. I think I'm on like 430 or something right now, but I don't know when this is going to upload, but my goal is to reach 500. So and I'm doing like a Q&A for 500 subscribers just to kind of celebrate it and have my little goal and my little reward for it. So if you have any questions for that, please leave them down below. You can ask anything and I'll give you a little shout out on the screen, and I'll answer your question in the video. So it can be any type of question. It could be like relationship, it could be like life advice, it could be like why I started YouTube, like any question at all that you have for me, and I will answer it and give you a shout out. So the first product that I actually got, I'm gonna like completely butcher the names of these. So this is the first product that I got. This is a facial moisturiser, and this was the most dearest thing that I got from LUSH. This was £12.97, so basically £13, and this was actually the most dearest thing I've ever got from LUSH. It's a facial moisturiser, and I did try another facial moisturiser in the past from LUSH, and it smelt really strong. Like you'd smell it on your face like for 3 hours if it was like soaking in. But this one it smells clean. It doesn't have any kind of like strong smell at all. You can't smell it on your face. It's actually kind of like a nice smell. I like it. Some people might not, but I really like it. But yeah, you get 45 grams of product in here. I think that's a lot for a moisturizer. Like this would last me like a good year, I think. And I have been using this for about 2 weeks because I ran out of my moisturizer. I used the Tarte, you know, the Tarte one, what's it called? I'll put the name on the screen, but it's like the water kind of collection. It's like it was a really good moisturizer, and it did clear up my skin from the previous moisturizer that I used, but I feel like this one also has cleared up my skin, and it makes it really glowy, even though this one I think is supposed to be for like mattifying your face. It does make my face feel glowy and hydrated, and you can just kind of feel like the healthy nutrients in it. The second product that I got from LUSH is the Ocean Salt Face and Body Scrub. So I actually have not tried this product. This product was £7.30. It looks like it's just kind of white. I always imagine this to be the blue one, but I'm not sure. It smells like an ocean. I don't know. The smells are so weird because like when they say like, oh, it's gonna smell like an ocean, like it actually smells like you're at the beach. It's very salty. I have not tried this. I think this is I'm gonna use it mostly on my face. I don't think I'll bother using it on my body. It comes in, I got the smallest tub, I'm pretty sure, and this is 120 grams. It is big enough, like compared to like the face mask sizes tubs, it is pretty big. And I'm gonna use it as like a face mask basically. So the next product is the comforter. I chopped a bit off this, but this is the comforter bubble bar, and this was £4, which I think is gigantic. This is the size of my hand, and it came, like, I chopped off a good bit of it. So it's a bubble bar. It smells absolutely amazing. It smells like raspberries and just berries and just sweet. It's very sweet, like that's the scent that I love. I chopped a bit off of it and I put it in the bath with me, obviously, and it makes the bath water turn pink and bubbly, white bubbles, and it's just really, really beautiful, and your bathroom smells so nice after you use it for like a day. So I was so happy with this. It smells so good. I was so nice. I was like showing it to all my family members and they were like, I want to use that. Like, it actually smells like you could eat it. It's just so good. And I think for £4, like, this is so big. I've heard that, like, I was watching like Lush hauls and seeing what kind of products that I wanted to get before I made it. And a lot of people said with this bubble bar that you should chop it into like 4 pieces, and it's £4. It's only like £1 per, you know, per bath. Like, it's really, really good quality and a really good size for £4. And if you chop it up, you still get the effect and like the big bubbles, and like your bath is filled with bubbles, but you're also like saving money at Lush. So it's really good. The product that I got is the Just to Clarify face mask. So this product was £5.65. My voice is gone weird. £5.65, and this is a jelly face mask. I have actually used a bit of this, if you can see. The scent of this one, I'm not sure if I like it. I tried the face mask and you kind of get used to it when the face mask is on for, you know, 15 minutes or whatever. Like, you don't, like, I don't mind the smell when I'm on it. What is floating around me? I don't mind the smell of it when it's on me, but I feel like if you smell into the tub, it's just so strong, and I don't know what it actually smells like, but it's very nice. This is the face mask that brightens, it exfoliates, and then it gives you it gives your mood a sunny boost. So this is kind of like to clear up your skin, and like to brighten it and stuff. I really, really love this face mask. It felt so nice on my skin, and my skin was so smooth and glowy after. So I would repurchase this one, even though the smells bad, in my opinion. Some people might love it, but I don't really like it at all. So that mask was £5.65. The next thing I got was a shower jelly, and this was £3.45, which is, I think, is absolutely great value. This is the Deep Sleep shower jelly. I have actually used this. I started off by using it. I took a little chunk out of it. This smells absolutely amazing. It smells like oranges and freshness and lavender, obviously. It smells so nice. And I took a little bit out, but it wasn't working for me. I googled how to use it, and you actually like take it out in a chunk like this. It's completely dry. It dries actually really quick. If you use the shampoos, they take a while to dry. It's best to like leave them out in the open so the water dries off them, and then put them back 24 hours later. But this one, you don't even have to do that, and it's completely dry when you take it out the next time. I'm really bad at sleeping. Some of you may not know, or some may know. I've kind of mentioned it before, but I feel like when I use this, I do get more tired, and after my shower an hour later, I find that like I'm really wanting to go to bed. So this is definitely a winner. I've slept perfectly the nights that I have showered at nighttime and used this. And I would highly recommend this. I think I'm going to keep repurchasing it because other shampoos and other shower gels that were meant to help you sleep, it did not work at all for me. But this one is the only one that did. So fingers crossed that it goes good for me. I have not used it at the day because I'm kind of afraid to use it at the day, like in the morning if I shower, just because the times I have used it, I have wanted to sleep like an hour later. That shower jelly was £3.46, so that's like really, really cheap. You get loads of use out of it. I've used it every single day for about 2 weeks and it doesn't even look like it's been touched. The next product is the No Drought Dry Shampoo. This was £4. I got the smallest bottle. This is like a loose powder dry shampoo. I was really intrigued when I seen this. I have actually used it twice, I think, and it's crazy. Like, I've heard like people hate this product just because it's like messy and stuff, but they love the effects of it. I didn't find it too messy. I've put it on wearing black clothing and I've just put it close to my hair and it's fine. Like, I've gone to work, there's no powder being left on it. It smells really nice. It smells like fresh kind of fruit or something. I'm not even sure what that smell is. It's really great. I used to use, like a few years ago, I used to use like the aerosol kind of, there's like a brand of dry shampoo that's really popular, and I stopped using it just because I feel like when you use it, the smell of it on your hair stayed there like for 2 days or 1 day or whatever, and it was just really strong and you could just smell it off yourself, and I didn't really like the smell of it. And this one, it's nice, and if you smell your actual hair you can smell it, but apart from that, if you're not actually shoving your hair in your face, you can't smell this. So this is what I like about it, because it kind of just feels like you've just had a shower. Like the other one, you knew that you were using dry shampoo and that kind of grossed me out a little bit. So I really love this product and I think it's just handy to have. I just wanted to try it so bad, so that's why I bought it. Moving on to the next one. The product that I was out of stock, and which is a good sign, and then that I had to go and rebuy was the Sleepy body lotion. As before with the deep sleep thing, I wanted to try out the deep sleep and this one just to help me sleep and stuff, and this one smells absolutely beautiful. It just smells so nice. Like, oh, I just can't even. I have been using this every single night and I am obsessed. Like, no joke, I am obsessed. I put this on my arm and it just feels like nighttime and I just sleep literally half an hour after putting this on. I put it on my, I don't put it everywhere, I put it on my arms and my shoulders, and I kind of sleep with my hand up like this. Just, I always sleep like that, and the smell of it off my arm is just so relaxing, and it's kind of in my routine now where when I smell this, it's nighttime and my brain just knows to switch off and go to sleep. And I didn't put this on the other night just to see what would happen. I didn't get to sleep till 4 AM. At 4 AM, no, at 3:30 in the morning, I was like, I'm done, I'm just gonna use it. Like, I put it on at 4 AM, I was out. So it's a really good sign. I'm thinking about putting like a more in-depth kind of like insomniac, whatever it is, tries this and like testing it out. But yeah, I highly recommend this if you cannot sleep, because it has been my lifesaver. And even like when your routine starts to normalize, I feel like it's just the perfect thing to have. I don't know, it changed my life. So that body lotion was £6.45, so it's really good. You do get a big pot. I got the smallest pot and I got 95 grams, but that's loads. It's gonna last me forever. The next thing I got was it was the 100 millilin, I have no idea how to pronounce this. It is this face mask, and this was £5.65. This is a jelly face mask. This is a jelly face mask, and it says get back in the skin. It basically tones with witch hazel and it's an antioxidant green tea, and I've used a bit of it, as you can see, and I really like this. I like the smell of it. It smells very like healthy and like a green smoothie for your skin. It's really nice. I love the jelly face mask, how they're like feel, and then you paste it up and it just like the consistency of it really like mind blows me. Like I just think it's really good. And yeah, I do love this face mask. I think I like the after effects of the Just to Clarify a little bit more, but this one does feel like you're detoxing your body, because the smell just kind of detoxes your mind as well. But I do like the effects of this just because I generally like brightening face masks a little bit better, so I might be biased there. But this one was really good and I really like it. So that is all for my haul. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the subscribe or like button. It would mean the world to me. And if you want to check out my other Lush haul, I will have it in the first link in the description for you. And I've also did past Lush hauls as well if you want to check that out. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon with a brand new video.